Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Everyday English Podcast. I'm David.
And I'm Emily. In today's episode, we're going to talk about travel and transportation.
That's right. We'll learn how to ask for directions, buy tickets, and talk about how we get around in English.
Yes, buses, trains, taxis, planes, we'll cover them all. Let's get started. Let's begin with some simple questions and answers about transportation.
Good idea. You can ask, how do you go to work? Or how do you travel to school?
And you can answer, I go by bus. I go by train. I walk to school. I go by car.
That's right. You can also say, I take the subway, or I ride my bicycle.
Let's do a short example.
Okay.
David, how do you go to work every day?
I usually go by bus, but sometimes I take the bus when it's raining.
That's smart. I go to work by train because it's faster than driving.
Nice. Do you like taking the train?
Yes, I do. I can read a book or listen to music on the way.
That sounds relaxing.
Now, let's talk about asking for directions, a very useful skill when you travel.
Yes. When you're lost, you can say, excuse me, how can I get to the bus station? Or, excuse me, where is the nearest train station? How far is it from here?
And if someone asks you, you can answer, it's near here. It's about 10 minutes from here. Go straight and turn left.
Those are super helpful phrases.
Excuse me, how can I get to the train station?
Go straight down this street, then turn right at the traffic light. It's next to the post office.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
That is a great example. Simple, polite, and useful anywhere in the world.
Yes, remember to always start with excuse me when you ask for help.
Now, let's learn some English for when you travel longer distances, like by plane or bus.
At the airport, you might hear, "Can I see your passport, please?" Or, "Where are you flying to today?"
You can answer, I'm flying to London, or here's my passport.
At the bus station, you can say, "I'd like a ticket to the city center, please." Or, "What time is the next bus?"
Exactly. And don't forget to say thank you.
Let's talk about taxis, too, a very common way to travel in cities.
Right. When you get into a taxi, you can say, please take me to the airport. Or, can you take me to this hotel? Or, how much is it to go to the station?
And when you arrive, you can say, "Here's the money, thank you." Or, "Keep the change."
Politeness always makes a trip nicer.
Taxi? Excuse me, can you take me to the Grand Hotel, please?
Sure. Do you have luggage?
Yes, just one bag.
Okay, no problem. It will take about 15 minutes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Let's review some travel words. Bus, train, taxi, plane, ticket, station, airport, map, driver.
And some key phrases. How do I get to? I'd like a ticket to. How much is it? Go straight and turn left. Thank you very much.
Now it's your turn. Think about how you usually travel every day. Try to describe it in English using 4 to 5 sentences.
Here's an example. I go to work by bus. It takes about 20 minutes. Sometimes I walk when the weather is nice. I like listening to music on the way.
Perfect example. You can practice with a friend or record yourself saying it out loud.
That's all for today's episode of Everyday English.
We hope you enjoyed learning how to talk about travel and transportation.
Next time, we'll talk about going on vacation, how to plan, pack, and talk about your trip.
That sounds exciting. I love vacations.
Me too. Thanks for listening, everyone.
See you next time, and safe travels. Bye-bye.